Tron is a decentralized network that is seen as a new era for the blockchain framework, which allows you to earn profits instantly with a little investment. Its transaction speed, which is capable of 2,000 transactions per second, is what makes it different. Tron utilizes negligible marginal gas fee that allows users to trade millions in TRX with zero additional investment in no time. Your data is solely under your control by using Tron Crypto. Being the leader in the race self-executing contracts, Celertis is being managed by the best people in the industry. Our instant and multifold payment system makes you feel proud of working with us. Our easy optimized compensation plan, worldwide services and support makes us the right choice for the crypto community, ensuring 100% safety for all the partners. Once you enroll the Celertis with minimum 500 Tron, the distribution will go as follows. Cell 3 holds 40%, Cell 10 holds 40%, while Global Pool holds 10% and Project Development and Smart Contract Fee holds 10% of the total starting investment. Your investment will grow and gain profit simultaneously for both Cell 3 and Cell 10 programs. All commissions are paid directly and instantly to all the participants via the TRX smart contract. Instant payments without delay. Completely anonymous. Zero chance of fraudulent. No third-party involvement. Lowest package 500 TRX, approximately $15. The program commences with Cell 3 direct referral. You will receive direct commission of 50% every time anyone joins with your recommendation. If your direct recommendation owns higher fund than your own, you will receive 20% of the commission and the other 30% will go to someone above you who holds the higher fund. You can make as many as direct referrals you want. Celertis platform is unique to this technique and no other program pays this generously. What's more, all the individuals you personally sponsor will follow you in every step, regardless of purchasing a package in the higher step. The value of owning higher steps is enormous, and as you progressively unlock each step, you will enjoy significantly higher earnings. Celertis is programmed to put members automatically filling slots from top to bottom, from left to right, in a 3x10 level matrix. This method is built in such a way that participants can receive spillovers from their unit transparently and equally and receive commissions down to 10 layers deep. The full matrix consists of 88,572 individuals who will pay you passive commissions on an ongoing basis. Celertis sales will rise exponentially once the matrix is finished, and the first step of 500 TRX or $15 will earn you 2.5 million TRX, approximately $75,075 and 7 cents. Step 2 will earn you a limit of 5 million TRX until the matrix is finished. Step 3 will give you 10 million TRX, Step 4 is 25 million TRX, Step 5 is 50 million TRX, and Step 6 is 100 million TRX. You can earn up to 192.5 million TRX, or about $5,780,780.70 with just 6 steps to further maximize your income potential and continue earning. You must upgrade to the next higher step if your current package value reaches 10 times. For instance, if you purchased Step 1 with 500 TRX initially, by the time you reach 5,000 TRX. Otherwise, you must update your account to avoid burning commissions. Failure to update will suspend your role temporarily and all revenue will be passed to the next stage accessible above. Upon upgrading, your earnings restart. We suggest that you find at least 6 steps so that you cover 50% of all packages right from the start. You will have to consecutively discover each step, as no step can be skipped. Start earning and change your life today. Welcome to Celertis.